Okay, I'm gonna hold my piece completely level and very gently place it in the kiln, like so. You notice the glue will kind of burn off and get a little brown. Just let that have a minute until that disappears. I'll put the lid back on just for a sec to facilitate that. I'm going to use the lid to cast a shadow. Now I'm going to use my flame straight up and down. I'm going to heat around the whole piece until the edges of the back sheet get shiny and melt a little bit. See that? Once I start to see that little flash, I can take that metal and push it underneath my granules. The key is always about getting the back sheet hot enough to flow under the granules. If you focus too much just on the granules, they'll just get hot, melt to each other, and leave a blob. That's it. All done. Now we take it out and we check it, of course, carefully. And if anything wasn't to be done, we would just go back in and do a little more.
Would you hit the light? Oh, sorry, one more time. There you go.
So there was a couple that we weren't 100% sure that we could see the little necks and the attachments. So we're gonna just do a little bit more. Procedure is identical. I'm gonna heat up the whole piece until the edges get shiny and melt a little bit. And then I'm going to push that metal underneath the granules. So you see that flash? See how I can just push it? Working my way around. That's it. Should be all done.